Good morning, May 28th, 2024. Tuesday morning, about 4:30. Hope everybody's doing good today. Uh, yeah, my plans for getting some things done kind of got sidetracked. The lawnmower man didn't want to come work on, a holiday, so, it is what it is. But that's okay. Could be worse. Anyway, Williams, Philippines, and blessings all. I'm supposed to get in touch with him this morning about 7:30 and try and get some stuff took care of. So, yay. Because I still got to take and get a few things done. Uh, the city's wanting to take and be stupid and try to force me to take care of stuff faster than I want to and get rid of some stuff that I'm trying to take and, hold to sell for the garage sale. Yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, I hope everybody's having a good day. Yeah, I don't know. Tired, I got a headache, my neck's sore. I think I slept wrong. Never good when your neck hurts. But it is what it is. I think that's part of getting old. Parts start biting you and nothing's easy anymore. But hey, could be worse. Yeah, I did. I got a little late on getting the other one out. I barely beat midnight on getting yesterday's out. So, not as much to talk to about today. So, yeah. I was trying to pay attention to a couple of things about the flight over, and they were saying, check and make sure that your airline will transfer your bags over from one flight to the next when you have a layover, especially if it's several different airlines involved. Most of them will trade them back and forth with no problem, but some don't. It's one of the reasons I think I'm just going to go with Korean Air, and I get on it in Dallas, get off of it in Seoul, get back on it in Seoul at their terminal, and get back off of it in Cebu. And yeah, pretty much take and go from there. Head's clogged up today. I don't know. I think it's just too much pollen in the air. All the moisture we had here just recently, and everything's all nice and green. So, hey, pollen. So, yeah, sinuses are a bit clogged. Yeah, is what it is. I don't know. Maybe that's why I have a headache. Yeah, we'll see. I'll try to clean them out when I get home in the morning before I try to do too much. But yeah, I want to try to get rid of a washing machine and a few air conditioners. And he's supposed to be here. I'm supposed to call him, and he's supposed to come over sometime 7:30 or so. And if I remember right, he just lives around the corner from me. But he does pretty good business. He's doing T-Anchor Flea Market down the road a bit, but he does a good bit of business there on the weekends. So, yeah. And try to, I don't know. I got one mower I think I might let him try to work on instead of just giving it to him. See if I can get him to work on it, and then if he fixes it, take and get it running. I use it for this year, and come next year, I can send it back to him and tell him Merry Christmas. Let him, give me a little bit for it. And yeah, it is what it is. But I'm hoping to, get that one fixed, because it's actually a pretty good sized mower and can handle my yard pretty quick. But I got to get that metal out of my yard. I'm going to see if he wants that too. It's the frame for a trampoline, and I was going to turn it into a hoop house. Didn't work out. So I still got this frame for a trampoline, and well, we'll see. Also got some, what do you call them? Cattle panel. Might let him have them too. I don't know if he'd want them or not. I don't know if he wanted them. It's pretty good sized stuff, 16 or something foot long, 4 foot plus tall, or 4 foot at least. They're not small, that's for sure. And they're pretty good gauge wire on them. I think 1/4 inch wire, or rod, whatever you want to call it. Maybe it's 3/16. But yeah, they're designed to keep a cow in. So, and they will do the job. I've seen them used a lot of different places. That's why they call them cattle panels. But yeah, I probably need to get rid of those too. And part of the thing I'm going to do today and tomorrow is try to get the chicken coop out. And since it's part way under the tree, yeah, all that fun stuff. I'm going to have a busy weekend. It's okay. It is what it is. I'm supposed to try to get over to the Ham Radio Club meeting on Saturday this week. So, first of the month, Saturday, first Saturday. So, trying to go in and get over there and move a few things. See if anybody wants to get some of this stuff. I'm not too particular. Some of it, I just as soon see it go to somebody who will use it. The other part, I would like to get some money out of it, but some of it I'm not gonna worry about. If it just goes, I'll be okay with it. But I would like to make some money off of it, especially like my radios. I got a couple of those that I want to get rid of because they're, they still work. They can still talk to each other, and that's good. So we'll see. Anyway, I hope everybody's having a good one. I'm tired. And I've got to go do the Evil W part of, breakfast this morning. Some reason, people come to a hotel and find out that they've got breakfast. And magically, they get hungry in the morning and want you to feed them. I mean, seriously. I don't know. Anyway, William from Williams, Philippines. I hope y'all are having a blessed day. Later blessings and bye-bye. I'm Fish, and hey,